afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 60. The instruction still remains that we should look out for the word that contains the given phonetic symbol, and the given phonetic symbol is best in this form. This is the symbol, not this. So, and option A, yes, is pronounced as new, not no. Option B is pronounced as chance, chance. Option C is pronounced as lean, while option D is pronounced as living, not living. So by this transcription, you find out that where we find this given symbol is in this way. So option D is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.